the sun begins to disappear, something changes in Da Nang. The beach gets quieter, but the city is only getting started. Maybe you don't truly know a city until you've seen it after dark. And here in Da Nang, when the lights come on, the city doesn't just shine, it comes alive. For many visitors, the day is ending. The sightseeing is over. The beaches are quieter. But for the people who live here, the evening is just beginning. This is the part of Da Nang that doesn't always appear in travel guides. The small restaurants opening their doors. People coming home from work. Friends meeting for coffee. Families sharing dinner, motorbikes filling the streets, nothing extraordinary. And yet, this is the rhythm of everyday life. As darkness arrives, Da Nang becomes a different city. The lights come on. The streets become busier, and slowly, the night takes over. At the heart of the city is the Han River. Every evening, people come here to walk, to meet, to talk, or simply to slow down for a while. For visitors, it's a beautiful place to see, but for the people of Da Nang, it's part of everyday life. And tonight, something is about to happen. On certain nights, the city waits, families gather. Children look toward the bridge, phones come out. People find a place to stand. Everyone knows what they're waiting for. The dragon. just like that, the show is over. The crowds begin to disappear. People head home. The river becomes quiet again, but the city doesn't stop. Maybe this is the Da Nang worth remembering. Not only the beaches, not only the bridges, not only the places we come to see, but the ordinary moments between them. The people who work late, the families having dinner, the streets that remain alive after the tourists leave. The quiet moments that don't make it into postcards. If you only visit Da Nang during the day, you may see the city. But stay until night, and you might begin to feel it. This is Da Nang after dark, and perhaps this is when the city truly comes alive. Thank you for spending this evening with me. There are still so many stories hidden in this city, and I look forward to sharing more of them with you. Until next time, good night, Da Nang.